What is up, guys? It's Todd here with you with TNTBALLS, and we got an unboxing / rat rack build. Well, guys, we didn't need the knife or nothing. We got baby Paige in here. She got it open. She set on it for us. So give me 1 second. Let me help her. All right, guys, these are 13-liter busboy totes. They're good for ASF, African salt furs. Sorry, guys, we got pink toes in them. Alright, guys, these are the actual totes that I used last time to build the little 4-banger ASF rack. So what I'm going to do is just spin it 2 more. Alright, guys, here we go. We got the rat rack, the ASF 4-banger we got. We're about to bang out 2 more totes. Here's the totes I was doing the video on the unboxing earlier. Here is my 2x2 for my frame, a 1/4 inch wire mesh. Then, like I said, my wife, they're 3 foot by something. This is my rails, guys. These things work great, man. This will give me like a 6-banger tote system now, guys, with 2 backup totes. All right, guys, we're down to this. We're down. We got to cut down. We got screws. Now all we got to do is put the frames together, cut this baby up to fit. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. All right, guys. So this is what we're doing. We're adding 2 levels. Brought my spacers. That way I know what I'm doing here. So let me go ahead and get one set up and I'll show you what's up, guys. Well, guys, the drill died on me tonight, but you know what I'm saying? We got another level added. Got another one wide up here, guys, so doing good, guys. Oh, all right, guys. There it is, the 6-banger. Last 2 shelves are on it. Looking good, guys. Well, guys, this is it. Hope you like and share. Trying out a new pet food for them, see how they like it. Well, guys, it's Todd here with you with TNTBALLS. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, share that love. Peace.